Today, we're throwing there we go. An old Beckon or Beckon Craw from Deps. Dragging it over a shell bed. I haven't seen him yet, he feels pretty good. God. Story of my season. Today, we're throwing Deps Beckon Craw. Northern string style. Hit that like and subscribe, and let's go. The Deps Beckon Craw. It's 3.5 inches, and it's a big craw, like big bodied, like claws. These lobster claws are on it. Then they got little air holes in the back that'll float up. Then it's got the twirly whiskers there. And it's got a big flat body. It's real flat and wide. And then it's got all these little bumps all over it. It's a really cool bait, super unique. And then it's got these little phalanges there. And I'm always a big fan of these phalanges when they're pointed this way. So if you free rig this bait, when it's falling, those little phalanges have a lot of little vibration and movement on the way down. But I was rigging this up on a swing jig head. Biffle head, swing jig head. Done knocked the paint off of it. I was rigging it up. Rigging it up just like that. Crawling it over rocks, dragging it across the bottom. Bumping it into wood on the ground, on the bottom. Awesome bait. There we go. Ooh. Feels good. Ooh, through my craw. That Deps craw. You can use this bait as a jig trailer. You can free rig it. You can Carolina rig it. You can put it on a Texas rig. You can flip it. There's a lot of things you can do with this Beckon Craw. And it's got a different look to it that the fish probably haven't seen. And there we go. After one jumps off, you always fight the next one a little bit harder. You don't give away any chances. When I'm throwing that swing jig head too, I'm throwing it on a 7.5 Elliott rod, Daiwa to tulip reel with 8:1 gear ratio, 20-pound Sunline fluorocarbon. There we go. So crazy. If you don't make this exact cast onto that shell bed, you ain't getting bit. It's a good one. Shook the craws off.